Hello everyone, Miss Carrie Brown here to talk to you about Google Tasks. I know you guys really love the Gantt charts that I've been making you do for years. However, I want you to try something new, which is Google Tasks. Now, in order to get Google Tasks, you can just Google Google Tasks, and it will take you to the Play Store, and then you'll just need to install it. So that's pretty easy to do. And then you should be able to see it as a little icon that shows up in your calendar. It also will show up in your email here. So I'll show you how to use it to track your progress in your projects. So if you just go into your calendar and you click on the little tasks icon, we are going to make a new list. I'm going to create a new list and I'm going to call it project. And my project is to make Classcraft Scratch tutorials. So I really want to have a pretty robust list of tutorials in Classcraft to help people learn to use Scratch. So what I need to do anytime I have a big project, I need to break that down into smaller tasks. So I'm going to add a task. This one is going to be, I'm going to make tutorials from the book Coding Games in Scratch. Okay, then I'm going to make tutorials from the book "20 Awesome Games." Okay, then I'm going to make a Classcraft quest with the tutorials. Okay, so I'm actually going to drag, this one's the first one, then I'm going to make these 20 games, then I'm going to make the Classcraft quests. All right, now each of these, this is a pretty big thing. It's a whole textbook, so I am going to edit this, and I'm going to add a subtask. So the first game from the Coding Games in Scratch that I'm going to make is Star Hunter. So I'm going to make a tutorial on how to do that. Then the next one is called Cheese Chase. And then the next one is called Circle Wars. And then the next one is called Jumpy Monkey. Okay, and so once I've made all of those, then I'll be done with this piece of making tutorials. But I also want to add a date. I think I need to get this done by April 30th at midnight. Okie doke. So that's how I do that. And then I would just go in and I would go into make tutorials for book 20 Awesome Games. And when I'm done with them, all I need to do is click. So as soon as I finished Star Hunter, I just need to click, it'll take it off. And once I'm done with all of them, I can click this completely done. And that's how I would, I want you to make sure that each of your big tasks has a due date and subtasks. So the time would be noon, and the date for that one would be 30th. Okay. Anyhow, that's how you use tasks to collect your projects. Make sure you set yourself due dates and make sure you create subtasks. And that's it. Hopefully that helps. Bye.